In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate app in Appy. If you already have an app you love and want a copy to use as a starting point for a new project, the replicate feature saves loads of time by duplicating your existing setup. I'll walk you through where to find it and how to name and create the clone, along with a few quick tips so nothing gets missed. Start by signing in to your Appy account and heading to the Builder area. This is the hub where you manage everything related to your apps. If you land on a general homepage, look for the Builder or App section in the top navigation to get into your workspace. Next, open the Manage view. This takes you from the high-level overview into the controls you need for editing and administration. If you work with multiple brands or organizations, you'll be asked which business you want to work on. Select the correct business so the platform shows the right list of apps and settings. From the business dashboard, choose the specific app you want to copy. Click into that app, then open Manage App to access its detailed dashboard. This is where all the configuration options live, including the tools we need to replicate. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you see a section labeled Miscellaneous. Open it, and you'll find the Replicate App option. That's the control that creates a new app based on your current one's structure, features, and styles. Click Replicate App, and when prompted, type the new app name. Pick a clear, unique name that follows any naming convention your team uses, like including the brand, environment, or date. This helps you tell the copy apart at a glance and avoids collisions with existing app names. Finally, confirm by clicking Replicate App again. The platform will start building the duplicate. Depending on the size of your original app, this may take a moment. When it's done, you'll see the new app listed in your dashboard, ready for customization. A quick note on what to expect. Replication copies the app's layout, features, and design. You'll still want to review branding assets, integrations, and any credentials that should not carry over, and reconfigure items like notifications or store listings for the new app. Do a quick test run to make sure everything behaves as expected. And that's it. You've just replicated an app in Appy, giving yourself a clean, consistent foundation to build on.